How to download all photos from Google Photos to computer. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into the video. Starting off, launch a preferred browser in your device. Search for Google Photos. Now you need to select the option of Google Photos from Google itself. Then you will see the option of Go to Google Photos. Select on it. Make sure that you have linked your Google account to your Google Photos. Now you will see a photo right here. You just have to tap on the tick mark, then select on the three-dot icon and tap on the download option, or select Shift+D to download the photo. However, if you have multiple photos and you need to download it, select multiple photos, or just tap on Select All option, which will be at the top. Then tap on the three-dot icon, then select Download, or select the option of Shift+D. Your photos from your Google Photo will be successfully downloaded on your PC. Make sure that your Wi-Fi speed is optimum and you have not connected any of the VPN connection. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.